Man, I didn't even grab some water. All right. Good morning, people. Good morning. Good morning. Hope everyone doing well. Yeah. So yeah, let's do some analysis here. Let's do some analysis here. Yo yo. Let me. Let me yeah, well, I mean, it's up to you. That's up to you, sir. Yeah, try and see. Okay, okay. Right, well, yeah, well, same is on that lucid. All right, so I'm gonna do some analysis here. I won't be doing anything on gold. I'll leave gold alone here. Look at why. Ooh, wow. YM looks YM doesn't look too bad here actually. I hear that echo from you, Malik. Do 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 do. There. Malik. Yeah. Mute. Mute up. Awesome. I was getting an echo. It was driving me crazy. All right, YouTube. Let's do some analysis here, huh? We have a 30-minute support here. 30-minute support. If we close beneath here, we're more or less gonna free fall. Should free fall at least to 48 or 78. All right. Should free fall to at least this level here for the most part, right? Yeah. I mean, I don't see anything else, if I'm being honest. There isn't much else going on. Maybe this one here. If it closes below, we got 10 minutes left. If it closes below. Yeah, but I don't want to go too far back. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at here. This is a good distance away too, by the way. This is yeah, this is some crazy. This is yeah. Let's keep it simple here. Buys above here. Okay, yeah, that should be good. Uh, I mean, yeah, that would be a flip of the 30-minute candle. Okay, so that would be of the 1 hour candle. Sorry, so that should be okay. So that would be a flip here of the 1 hour candle. So that's not bad, but sales is it's a little tricky for sales here. This is a 25-point zone. This next one here is 30 points. Yeah, maybe we could get this. Maybe, 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 maybe. Maybe we could end off of this. of this one here. Maybe. Or maybe we just get a week up and then break up the low. But I don't see anything here on YM though. YM is not looking too friendly today. Um, not too friendly today. Oh, this is not gonna be traded here. We're gonna trade this. Yeah, why am I looking too friendly today, guys? Let's see what NQ has. Okay, so NQ, man, the market is looking so fucking ugly. Oh wow, NQ already closed beneath this 30 minutes support. Just about, just about. It broke the previous low. So if it comes back into the range, we may see some bullish momentum here on the 30. All right, so um, yeah, maybe I'll leave YM today alone today because I can't figure out a proper zone to trade from on YM. Um, yeah, NQ, yeah, yeah. Hmm. We could have an entry here, but if this closes back in the range, if this closes back in the range here, my entry would be on the break of the high, the break of the current candle high, if it closes back in the range, right? Because then that would mean it's rejecting this 30-minute support, right? And it broke the previous low here, so should be good. Yeah, I don't think I may I may not even wait for a bottom wick. As soon as it break this high, just 2 hour all the way up, should work out fine. That's if it closes back inside the range, yeah. That's if it closes back inside the range. Um, yeah, the one who are close below. Okay, yeah, yeah. I think, yeah. So if it closes below, wait for a week up. If it closes back inside, no, we don't need no week. All right. Right now we could just wait for a week for to anticipate the sells, right? So technically, we're looking at uh, here for buys and wherever it stops for sells. Yeah. Last 5 minutes. So let's see what happens here. I leave this on the I'm gonna leave this on the 30-minute candle, I think. 30-minute time frame. Let's do monitor the 30-minute time frame just for now. Just for now. Yeah, man. I'm showing you all everything here. Guys are seeing everything here, man. What more can you ask for? Yeah, NQ looks a lot better today, actually. Huh? Yeah, that's it there. That's I mean, we've been looking at this, right? Yeah, this would be a 30-minute um setup here too, like 30-minute, 30-minute, 15-minute. Yeah, not much if five. I mean, it's not bad on the five, but yeah, it's not too bad on the five, but at like 15, 30-minute setup here, yeah, this shit closes back in there. Very good for buys. Okay, so let me just sort this out, huh? Mm, mm, yeah, Wime though, yeah. Why would I have to break those? Yeah, not sure for Wime right now, if I'm being honest. Not too sure on Wime. The thing about it is, I'm going to have a second take profit level here. If we close in the range, this would be my TP here. This would be my main TPR. Let's see if I can hit it. All right. Let's see what we got here on trade C. Okay, so we need to be looking at IM. Yeah, YM is a tricky one here. All right. Move this in. 2 minutes left. Thank you. Yeah, I noticed something on trade C as well. When I make the screen smaller, it doesn't move the time and stuff. Yep, we're here, we're here, we're here. Let's see what I can get here. Lock it in, guys. Locked in. Hmm. Okay, where's the volume? Not really liking this open, but I'm in here on NAS. I'm in here on NAS. Yeah, I'm in here on NAS. Bit of a late entry here on my other account here. Um, okay, there's why I'm with a push. Um, Stops the break even here for me on um on NQ. Wait, what the hell? Oh my god. Entered wrong trade in the wrong direction. What the shit? Oh wow, Tevin. That's terrible of you. Yeah. Okay, we're moving here. Not looking too bad. Um, I mean, could exit here, but we gotta at least get 2 hour here, huh? Had a late entry, but yeah, we gotta at least get 2 hour here, man. These are evals. These are evals, man. Nice, yeah, Yogo, you got a really nice entry. That's very nice, bro. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice, bro. Very nice. Love to see it, man. Can't hit on it at all, man. Can't hit on it at all. There's my 1 to 2. There's my 1 to 2. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, so like I said, right? So, I mean, this is a doji close, so we target could be all the way up to 172. It may not go there right away, but should push up there. Should push up there. So, yeah, also I know I haven't closed at 1 to 2 here, but man, unfortunately, I took a sell initially on my next account there. Sort of pissed about that. Because this account would have been shit. Probably would have passed this Lucid account here. There we go. 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 So I'm moving stops here. 1 to 2. We're securing 15 for the day. Hopefully, we can secure that for the day. What stops at yeah. Yep. It's a good day. It's a good day. It's a good day. It's a good day. Huh? Yeah. It is what it is, but it is what it is. I was just trying to get the full the 15, you know. Yeah, just trying to. It's also pushing on. It's also pushing on Lucy. Again, like I said, this should be the main TP here. There we go. 1400. This should be the main TP here, by the way. Still pushing on Lucid, by the way. I'm trailing it at 1.5 or well, based on the position I have here on Lucid. But yeah, I'll get out that 1,000. Man, that shit messed me up so fucking bad there. Oh my god. I took a sell instead of the buys on NQ. Yeah. I was like, wait, why I can't move my stop loss? Like I can't move it down. It kept telling me an error because I was moving it up because I end up going in a sell. But it is what it is, man. I made like still made $100. Still made $100. But see what I'm saying? I would have passed this shit, bro. That was 1 to 3. Like I could have passed if I didn't. It is what it is, and that's on 3 accounts as well too. This account here is up 900. Ooh, this account could have get well. No, I would have went over my This account is strictly for something else. it's um, it's a secret. It's a secret. Also, this account here is also a secret. I'm working on some. All right, so we're back here. 1 to 3, we know from being done 1 trade, and we're back here. YM sort of gave a bit of a fake out here though. Yeah, YM was a loss. It broke the high and then it just came back down. Even on the break of the high, it came back down again. So YM was unfortunate here. Yeah, NK was the play. Bro, this shit is powerful, man. Oh man, if you all only know. It's funny. It's funny how I named the stream most transparent stream, and I'm telling you guys about a secret. Oh my. No, it doesn't have to, but it's a rejected candle. So that's why with the same one I showed you earlier on gold. That's why you said you can't find the entry. The entry was at the break of just how we take on the break of the high here. That's the same shit. And we didn't need a bottom wick. We don't care if we get a bottom wick once we break the high. Because if you go back, most of the time this happens and it breaks the high, it doesn't leave a bottom wick. It just flies. Because it already did what it had to do. It already did this shit. So yeah, so this would be yeah, 1 to 3 would be up here. And I'm sure, bro, I'm sure this shit gonna fly. I'm sure this shit gonna fly. I'm sure it's gonna fly. I mean, yeah, I mean it takes a while. I mean, come on. This trade should take like 10, 15 minutes and shit. Like these are longer type trades too. So well, we did good today. I'm happy today. There it is. Volume is there, man. Look how this shit moves on. Look how this shit moves on Lucid compared to. Let me go on the same time frame. Compared to like, look how it moves. Yeah, compared to top, like you can see the ticks, not like a top step still have a bit of a delay. Anyways, that's 4 hour there, guys. That's 4 hour there. Like, what more do you want than that, man? Clean fucking day. Made back lost some yesterday and some. Yep, that's how we do it. That's how we do it. Well, I'm gonna stop the stream here, guys. Please do drop a like on the video if you enjoyed it. If you made some money, I mean, show appreciation. Yeah, I would really appreciate that. So, see you guys tomorrow, NFP. Well, not at NFP, but after NFP. I'll see you guys. Yeah. So, peace out. Take it easy.